Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. So today we're making something really delicious. We are making a crab salad. So before we jump into our recipe, I want to thank all my viewers for watching. For all my regular subscribers, I want to say thank you. And if you're new here, remember to hit that subscribe button and like and share the videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. So let's grab our ingredients and let's make a crab salad. For our crab salad, you're going to need the following: imitation crab meat, ranch dressing mix, celery, green onion, bell pepper, buttermilk, mayo, garlic powder, and onion powder. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So the first thing we need to do is get our vegetables all chopped up. Throw away those. And you don't want large chunks, you just want little pieces. And then once we get all this done, then we're going to move on to assembling everything together. For our dressing, for our crab salad, we are going to need onion powder, garlic powder, and we've also got our mayo in a bowl, some buttermilk, just for that little bit of tang, and then our ranch seasoning mix. So we're going to get this fully incorporated and mixed together. And now we're going to put our crab salad together. So I've got my imitation crab meat into a large bowl, and I've gone through and I've chopped up a few pieces, about half of it, the pieces in half. So now what we're going to do is we are going to add in our bell pepper, celery, and green onion. And we're going to give that a light toss. And now we're going to add in our dressing mixture. And we want to be sure and get all of this out. We don't want to leave any of it behind, because this is really good. Alright. Get everything off the spoon. There we go. Set this to the side. And now we're going to give this a toss, and we want to make sure that everything gets coated with this dressing mixture. And there we go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some plastic wrap on top of this, and we're going to set this in the fridge and let it chill for an hour. Alright everyone, so this has been chilling in the fridge for an hour. So now we're going to service up a plate, or should I say a bowl, of our crab salad. And we're going to get some of the crab, and we're going to also get some of these vegetables. Alright. Oh, this looks so good. Oh yeah, y'all are gonna like this. Whoops. And this is perfect for any outing or get together. Real simple to make, doesn't take hardly any time. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and as always, remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And as always, I want to thank everyone. So until next time, I'm going to finish off this.